The TikTok Shop affiliate is going crazy right now and people are literally making $50,000 per week. So this video is a step-by-step blueprint that will help you start making money with the TikTok Shop affiliate tomorrow. Literally. Even without showing your face. And no, it's not making product reviews. So let me show you. First of all, if you live under a rock, TikTok basically created its own marketplace so people can sell products directly through the app, and with that came in the in-app affiliate system. You talk about the product, link it in your video and make money. And this is such a good opportunity right now because videos with the product tagged are getting pushed by TikTok a lot. You can create semi-low quality videos and still go viral. It will literally take you 5 to 10 minutes to create the videos we're gonna explore today. And the best part is that it will cost you $0 to get started. But the only thing you need is 5,000 followers, except if you watch the next part. So in order to get a TikTok Shop affiliate without 5,000 followers, just watch this video because he dives deep into the subject and I want to keep this video short. And now we'll get to the 3 most important parts of this video. Step 1. Picking a product. A lot of people could argue that picking a product is the most important step in this blueprint, because if you don't have a winning product, no matter what you do, you won't make sales. So here's what you should look for. 1. A product that is already proven. That means it should have at least 5,000 products sold. We're not trying to innovate here, we're not trying to reinvent the wheel, we are copying what is already working. But we don't want something that is too saturated. Don't go for products that have tens of thousands of products sold. Around 10 something thousand is the maximum amount that is recommended. The second factor we want is either something that solves a problem, which is the one we want for this strategy to work because of the next step. You will learn more about it. Be patient. Or you can go for something with a wow factor, something that makes you stop scrolling and say, whoa, what is that? But if you choose that, you'll probably end up creating some type of reviews or just weird videos. And the third one is a product that offers around 20% commission. And according to reports and research, a good amount that people are willing to spend on impulse purchases is around $35. If I manage to find it on Google, I will just slap the screenshot right here. And to find products, you can use TikTok, the For You page, or you can search for like product reviews, or just straight up look in the marketplace and search for keywords in the niche you're in. A good thing is that the products will also have a video section of the videos that other creators make. Or you can use hellodata.com, which is also a very good resource. And the best niche apparently right now is supplements and health stuff. That can also include mental health stuff like books that will help you improve your mental health, but the supplements are on fire for some reason right now. There is a study case of a guy that made $200,000 from promoting a supplement, but because it makes that much money it can be also saturated and sometimes the riches are in the niches. But now let's talk about the thing you were kinda waiting for, and you know that's the content side of things. Step 2. Content types. There are 2 types of content that will actually work, and after this I'll tell you how to go viral and make sales. So the first type is definitely the easiest. It's the old header method, but you basically create a video where you just talk. It's just a simple talking video like storytelling, but the key is speaking as a customer and being relatable. I'll tell you more about that in the next and final step. You can also use green screen, you can edit the video at B-roll footage. There are 2 paths: retention editing, where you do everything fast, you talk fast, you edit fast, or you can just simply sit down and talk and be interesting and relatable. And the second type of content is AI videos, completely faceless AI videos. It's very popular. You basically need CapCut, ElevenLabs for the AI voice, and Midjourney or Leonardo.ai, which is free. Here's an example of what would an AI video look like. You can remodel videos and create videos like these while promoting a product in a similar or the same niche. This is a method called copycat innovation. You can read more about it in my full free guide, link in the description. Now you know what type of content you want to make, but how do you actually get views and make money? Let's talk about it. Step 3. How to go viral and make sales. This step is the cherry on top of the strategy. So what we've noticed is that videos that work best for the TikTok Shop affiliate are much different than the typical organic videos. First and foremost, you have to speak to your audience like a customer. You're not doing an unboxing, you're not a creator, you are actually a customer. You have to talk about relatable problems, and then that magic product came up and it solved your problem. Like if we go to the supplements again, you talk about how you come home every day tired and everybody is asking you like, what's going on, have you been eating lately and stuff like that. And then you introduce the product, the problem solver, which is a supplement, and you link the supplement to the video. That was a very brief explanation to just get the idea. And what we've also noticed for these specific videos, we're not talking about generally TikTok. Don't take that and apply it to like your typical typical average TikTok video. But here, quantity matters more than quality. You can put like 30 minutes per day and make 3 videos. You don't even have to have your product there. You can use the green screen. The AI videos will take a bit more time, of course. And another interesting thing is videos that are over a minute long tend to perform better. But basically it's because you get watch time, not as a percentage, but as actual seconds watched. So for example, this video is 3 minutes long and it's gone crazy viral and made a lot of sales, at least $20,000. It's 3 minutes long, and because it was promoting a product, of course, and TikTok pushes those videos, you get 2 boosters basically into one video and your video skyrockets. And of course, showing your face helps, but you can do the AI content like we said, or of course you can edit videos with, you know, B-roll footage and talk over it, or have AI do the voiceover. And of course, one of the most important things is writing a script ahead of time. It's gonna save you a ton of time, and these are the things that you need to get a viral video and make sales. Now that you've watched this video, make sure to watch this video next, where you will learn about the secret niche that will help you make thousands of dollars per month. See you over there.
So please, I want to reach 1 million.